it's Professor Kristen, and one of the things that I have found interesting is I have students that are saying to me, I don't have access to a mask to wear out in public. So I wanted to share with something that I saw and learned and thought could be very helpful. You don't have to buy a mask. You don't have to go and try to find things to make a mask. You probably have things at home that you can put together and create a mask that will protect you as you go out into public. So this video is just to show you a step-by-step how to make a homemade mask. Let's get started.
First of all, I found an old bandana at the house. So I'm going to use that, and I have 2 hair bands, or you could use a rubber band if that's all you had. I'm going to start to fold my bandana, as you can see, and creasing it out, keeping it neat. And I'll continue to fold the bandana, and as I'm holding it up, the flat side I want to put downward, and the side with the folds that I can kind of see, I make upward. I'm going to take a band, one of my hair bows, and go ahead and put it on the bandana, as so, putting it through. Then I'm going to fold it in half, the piece that's on the other side and in half, and then insert into the fold so that it is going to hold that together. I'm going to pat it down, pulling my hair bows out to give it some stretch so I can put it on as a mask. And I have a mask. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take my glasses off, because even at work, if I was wearing a regular mask, I would. And I can put my mask on around my ears, as you can see. And then I have something I like to do, is put my glasses through the loops. It makes it easier to hold on to my face, especially since I wear glasses all the time. I like to do that, and it makes it a nice, easy way. Glasses go on, and I can adjust the bands around my ears, and it will hold it so that I can be more mobile and moving with my mask. I adjust my mask. As you notice, I can pull it down, and you do, and put a little pressure to it, and it'll stick to your face. Ah, voila. Now, the one thing I do quickly when I have to walk my dog outside and I'm trying to protect myself, I'll take my bandana too and just fold it in a triangular form and put it around like almost a bandit looking and tie it behind. But one thing I do like to do is take it once it's secured behind my head and put it down into my shirt. And that just forms a little bit of more security with the bandana around my face to protect myself. And my glasses go on. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please say like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Professor Kristen.